Welcome to the Sand and Track channel with a series on four-wheel drive systems where I explain how they work on different cars. Today's car is the Nissan Patrol Y62. The Auto mode, which is the everyday driving mode. It's the simplest mode to begin with. This is the mode that you use for everyday normal driving, whether on highways, city roads, and it automatically distributes power to all four wheels depending on the road conditions and needs. 4H or four-wheel drive high is for normal off-road driving. What this means is all four wheels are engaged, and this is to be used in normal driving in sand, snow, mud, or even gravel roads. 4 low, or what they call low range. It's maximum torque for extreme conditions. Think of it as beast mode for your car. It reduces the speed of your car like a slow tractor, but it gives you maximum torque and power. It's perfect for rock crawling, soft sand driving, deep mud, steep climbs, or recovering from very tricky situations. Differential lock. Use when stuck. When driving off-road, sometimes you might notice that one wheel is spinning, the other is not when the car is stuck. And this is because power is going to the wheel that has no traction on it and it doesn't allow the car to move. So when that happens, lock the diff lock, and this forces both wheels to spin together at the same time, allowing you to recover. The Nissan Patrol has an intelligent 4x4 system where you can simply select the drive mode that you're on, whether you're on the road or you're pressing sand, and it just sets up the right 4x4 system for sand driving, or you press on snow. It enhances also throttle response, turns on or off traction control where it's needed, and as well as a mode for rock crawling or driving. Traction control, why do you need to disable it? It's because when you drive off-road, you do not want the car to think that the wheels are spinning, and you do not want it to cut the power to your wheels. Hill descent control is a feature that applies automatic brakes on steep hills or slopes, so it keeps the speed of the car low and allows it to descend in a controlled fashion. I really hope you found this video useful. Choosing the right 4x4 setting makes a huge difference in off-road driving. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button for more off-road explanations and leave any comments below. Thank you.